In this video, we'll get started with FastAPI. So FastAPI is a Python web framework which is really cool, and it's used to create web APIs. So in this video, we'll be installing FastAPI and its dependencies, and we'll also create a very basic API to see it in action. So first of all, we'll start with creating a virtual environment, which we can do it like this, and then we'll source to activate the environment. So to install FastAPI and its dependencies, just do pip install FastAPI and uvicorn. So just give it a minute while it's downloading and installing the packages, and after it's done, you'll have to create a script called main.py. So just give me a minute, I can install the formatter here. Alright, so then we have to import the FastAPI class. We can do that as follows. So from FastAPI import FastAPI, and then we have to create an instance which we usually call app. So we can do it like this, and then we have to define a function which will run when you visit a particular URL of our web application. So I'll call it index, and it will just return a dictionary which will be converted to JSON in the web response. So I'll just say message and hello world, and also we have to tell FastAPI when should this function be invoked. So we can do that using app.getDecorator. So that means if there is a GET request at this endpoint, which is the root of our application, so return this response. So let's see it in action. So we can run the server using uvicorn main, which is the name of our script, and colon, and then the name of our instance, which is app. So we'll also do a -- reload, so uvicorn will start watching the changes. So if we change something, it will reload the server. So let's hit enter, and let's go to browser and go to localhost :8000, and we'll see our response here. If we change something here, you'll notice that uvicorn will load the application again, and if we refresh here, we'll see the new response. So this is how the FastAPI is supposed to work. It's really simple, and it has got some really cool stuff that we can do. So stay tuned, and I'll be posting more about it.